Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the 4 different state universities as well as the one private college. And coming to the eligibility is the PG with or without the UGC NET or PhD. That means here the opportunities are there for only postgraduates as well as the UGC NET or the PhD candidates also. And coming to the scale of pays, it is at assistant professor academic level 10. That means you are going to get the 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So please share this video after watching this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the 5 different universities or the colleges recruitment notifications. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first one we are going to see is the Rashtriya Raksha University, an institution of national importance. So from this one here we got the advertisement for the position of teaching staff, Director Research and Development, Professor and the Assistant Professor, and the Assistant Professor vacancies in the Department of Law, Criminology and the Security Studies. So 2 vacancies are there under the OBC category 1 and under the SC category 1. And here in the Assistant Professor 10, 11, 12 categories are there. So while coming to assistant professor level 10, it is the entry pay is the 57,700 rupees per month. Okay, and the eligibility conditions are also different here. So it is the direct R&D department. And coming to the professor, so for both these 2, PhD with some experience is also mandatory. And coming to the assistant professor level 10 category, post graduation with 55% of marks in the concerned discipline. Along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or a SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the qualification details, guys, for the assistant professor level 10 category. While coming to the level 11, the PhD is mandatory, and the level 12 also the PhD is mandatory in the concerned discipline. And few general instructions to the applicants are given here. So if you are wishing to apply, then the candidate must enclose a receipt of non-refundable application fee of 2,000 rupees, and this application fee is exempted for the SC, ST and PH candidates with application. And candidate should follow the following procedure: deposit the application fee in the bank account of the university. So here the link is provided, SBI Collect, that means to deposit the money, and click the checkbox and select the Gujarat. Okay, so here the few procedures are given here. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay, so if you want to get the more details, then please visit the official website of this one. And the candidates who are having the caste category requirements, that is SC, ST, OBC and EWS and persons with benchmark disabilities, the 5% relaxation is provided in their master's degree. Fine. So I will provide this PDF link, guys. So to get the accurate and more details, you please once visit the official website of this one, then you will get the complete details. Okay, and it is an online application procedure. Fine. So for applying the online application, then you need to visit the official website of this one. And coming to the second one is the Jadavpur University, Kolkata. The university invites applications from the Indian nationals in the prescribed form for the following positions. So assistant professor in education is required. So 3 posts, SC1, OBC B1 and unreserved category 1. Coming to the minimum eligibility criteria as per the UGC regulations, and the criteria also mentioned here. So PG degree in MA in arts, science, social sciences, humanities with minimum 55% of marks or equivalent grade, and MEd with 55% of marks or equivalent grade, or else MA in education with 55%, or else MA in education with 55% and BEd with minimum 55% or equivalent grade. Okay, and here the open for 3 posts, and the NET, SLET or SET qualification is mandatory, meaning it is the minimum qualification for the assistant professor category. The scale of pay is mentioned here, so 57,000 at academic level 10, and the deadline for submitting the application form is 30th November 2021. So filling up of the submission, filling up or also submission of application form and other related instructions are given here. And for this one, the application fee is mentioned as 500 rupees, and the online application form you will get in the official website itself. So fill up the bank application form and send the complete application form, one original and 7 photocopies, along with attested photocopies of all certificates including the NOC for OBC candidate and testimonials, and a copy of receipt of payment or chalana to the mentioned address here. And on the envelope you have to write down the name of post in which you applied for and what is advertisement and number. Okay, so both these two you need to mention. Fine. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, you please once visit this PDF. And the next one is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi. So from this one also, in the School of Vocational Studies, the assistant professor vacancies are announced for the Department of Tourism Management as well as the Hospitality Management. And coming to the qualification is master's degree with 55% of marks. Along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET or CSIR NET qualification must be there. So age not more than 63 years, and the honorarium, it's a contract basis, right? So it will be the fixed emolument you will get, and not less than the monthly gross salary of the regular appointed assistant professor. That means a regular assistant professor as well as the contractual based assistant professor. So both these two will get same. Okay. So and few more details are given here, guys. So you please check down how to apply and what are the remaining details, that you will get all these things in this PDF. And the application last date is, online application form last date is 18th November 2021. Don't send hard copy or the printout of the online application form for applying this university. Okay, only online application form. For that one, you need to visit the official website of this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi. And the next one is walk-in interview is there in the Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. So the walk-in interview, and here interested candidates are requested to send their application form along with the self-attested scanned copies of testimonial certificates or claims for eligibility on recruitment@igntu.ac.in at least before 2 days from the date of interaction. Okay, the walk-in interview date is also given here. So assistant professor guest faculty Sanskrit. So maximum 50,000 rupees per month. Per lecture you will get 1500 rupees. Number of posts are 2. So venue is administrative building, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. Okay, or else online interview will be there. Fine. So the date of interview is 25th November 2021 morning 10:30. Okay. So at least 2 days before you need to send whatever the documents they are asking to the provided mail ID. And I will provide this PDF also to get the more and the accurate details. Fine. And coming to the last one is Mata Karagola College. Fine. So walk-in interview is there in this one. And while coming to the departments, here, just a minute, yes, I will zoom this one. Yeah. So candidates having the requisite qualification may attend the interview for the following post: contractual or the guest faculties on 16th November 2021 at morning 11 o'clock with all testimonials along with the biodata of 200 rupees in favor of DD. Okay, in favor of principal. Okay, payable at the Punjab National Bank. And the departments are lecturer required in physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany, zoology, information technology, economics, English, education. So from each and every department, one post is their qualification, 55% or above at the PG level. That's it. MPhil or PhD will be given preference, and it is not mandatory. If you are having only post graduation with 55% in this one, then you can apply, guys. So because it is a degree college and age limitation is below 32 years. Okay, so you guys can directly go for the walk-in interview here. If you are having any queries regarding this one, then here the contact number is also provided. So 06769276418, and mail ID is also provided. So you can contact them through the number or else the mail ID. Right? So total these are the different universities or the colleges, guys, where the recruitment notifications are announced. Okay, so to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam. For the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.